Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So, in today's video, I'll be talking about Cisco, which is currently hiring for their software engineer role. Your domain will be product and engineering, and this will be a hybrid role in Bangalore, India. Now, as a part of the minimum qualifications, Cisco has listed that you must have a proven experience as a full stack developer or any similar role with a strong portfolio having experience in web applications. You should be having proficiency in front end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and at least one modern framework, which includes React, Angular, Vue. It can be others as well. You should be having some back-end development skills as well as a part of your minimum qualifications. You can use Python in that, or Node.js, Java, Ruby. So you should have some experience building RESTful APIs or GraphQL. Some familiarity with databases is also required for this role. You can have familiarity with PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, and also some basic data modeling, and definitely your version control tools like GitHub. It is always a requirement for any team. Some CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or similar experiences. If you have, it is a requirement for this role. Now, that is a part of your minimum qualifications. Moving on to your preferred qualifications, if you have some understanding of web architecture, performance, security best practices, that is a plus for this role. Some knowledge, basic knowledge of cloud services like AWS, Azure, GCP, some container technologies like Docker, Kubernetes, etc. Definitely your communication skills, collaboration skills, how well you're able to contribute, how eager you are to learn tech stacks, new technologies that you are not aware of, testing, monitoring, streamlining workflows. These are all a part of your preferred qualifications that Cisco would want you to have for this role. So these are all the qualifications, minimum and preferred, that they have listed for the software developer role. Now, moving on to the hiring process that they generally follow for this role. The hiring process for Cisco generally involves 5 stages for the software engineer role. Starting with your first online MCQ test, there will be 50 questions, no negative marking. 20 will be general aptitude questions. 15 will be questions on CS networking, DS algo, and 15 will be electronics based questions like microprocessor, CMOS, digital BJT based questions. So that will be your initial online MCQ assessment, right? Now, after that, you'll be sitting for a technical round 1, which will be a virtual technical interview focusing on core computer science principles like DBMS, DSA, operating systems, networking. The PYQs, previously asked questions in these kind of interviews, you can find in platforms like Geeks for Geeks, so definitely go through it before sitting for your interview. Now, you might have a second technical round depending on how you've performed in your first technical round. Now, after you are done with your technical rounds, you will have to sit for an HR round. So in this round, you can expect general discussions, that is to assess your communication skills, your motivation to join the company. Are you a cultural fit for this role? And they can also ask questions on your resume, so expect to go through your resume, the stuff that you've mentioned. Make sure you know each and everything that you've mentioned in your resume. So these are all the rounds that you'll have to sit for this software engineer role. So go ahead and apply before the link expires. I have attached the application link in the description of this video. Go ahead and apply before the link expires, and if you are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for internships and job roles, especially for college students, so on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.